AP Chemistry, a brief review of significant figures. Let's take a look at some numbers and ask ourselves which ones matter. For the number 32, we would say this has two significant figures since there's no way of expressing that number without them. However, since 0.0323 could be expressed as 3.23 times 10 to the minus 2, we could say that this number simply has three significant figures. Or, to get it more rapidly, dump the zeros that are to the left. Leading zeros are never significant. How about central zeros? Well, you can't get around them. Scientific notation doesn't help, so all of those are significant. Sandwich zeros are always significant. Here's a number that has trailing zeros and no decimal point. The rule is that they could be counting by hundreds, for example, and it's a bit of an arbitrary rule, but this is said to only have one significant figure, meaning that trailing zeros are only significant if there's a decimal place. Based on that rule, this one does have it. We assume they're counting by ones, and we say it has three significant figures. Let's do an analysis of a deeper one. Central ones always keep. Ones to the right keep if there's a decimal place. I like all of them. 5 significant figures. Mastery level problem. How many significant figures? I see left, center, and right. Left, always dump. Center, always keep. Right, keep if there's a decimal place, and there is. This number has 5 significant figures. If you need to round, for example, 2.25 to 2 significant figures, 5 or better go up, we're going to call that 2.3. Adding and subtracting, we keep the fewest number of decimal places. Therefore, when we add this up, the raw number would be 4.49. However, we only have one decimal place, so we are going to say 7.5. I cannot add in my head. Look at that. That should be 7.46, rounding it up to 7.5. Best to do these on a calculator. For multiplying and dividing, we keep the fewest number of significant figures, not the fewest number of decimal places. Therefore, this number, students always say, hey, that's exactly 3. Well, it's not exactly 3. It's 3 to 3 levels of precision, if you will, meaning that we have 3 significant figures. Each one, the least number of significant figures, regardless, would be 3. We're going to report it to 3 significant figures, meaning 3.00. There are an infinite number of significant figures when you're dealing with an exact number, such as 12 inches is a foot. For counting, if you're counting things, we would not say I counted 3 people, but I only have one significant figure. It's infinite. You know it's right. And defined numbers, 2.54 centimeters is an inch, absolutely. And so these are considered to have an infinite number of significant figures. Oftentimes you will have combinations of effects and you apply each rule individually. Having said that, significant figures is not as imposing a topic in AP Chemistry as you might imagine. Many experienced teachers say generally give 3 significant figures in your answer, which, well, they usually set them up so it's about that, but there's sometimes they won't, so I'd be a little more careful than that. But you don't have to stress too much over significant figures. The largest, by far, thing to answer is the correct answer to the question, and of course, its underlying meaning, which is the emphasis of the more recent AP Chemistry exams. Our next topic will be stoichiometry.